Okay, for a project that I'm working on, I got this Drill Master titanium uh, step drill bit from Harbor Freight. I think it's just like right at $6, like $5.95. The other bits I've been looking at were around $21 to $50 for depending upon the brand. I am going to got a couple spots marked. Hopefully I'll be able to drill a straight hole, and we'll give this a try and see how it works out. Okay, it says to use plenty of oil, so I'm going to use some 3-in-1 oil and go from there. Brand new bottle of oil, I'm just opening it up. So no pilot hole. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and fill this side too. I can speed it up. it that worked out okay. So I got a straight through shot, and that drill bit really impressed me. So I've got a couple more holes to drill and make another hitch, and we'll be done.